What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you going to get more sales in your affiliate marketing business. So I'm going to give you guys some tips, give you guys some key points that's going to help you get more sales, more conversions, and more people inside of your business. All right, so stay tuned. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Welcome to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know, all right? And for my regulars, I want to say welcome back. Happy to have you here. So just let me know in the comments area where you guys watching this from. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, just let me know as well, all right? And if you love affiliate marketing and you're in affiliate marketing business, I'm going to show you how you can increase your conversion, how to get more sales inside of your business. So I'm going to give you guys some tips. So let me just pull this out right now and just grab this so you guys can see. So I already got the whiteboard. You know, already know whiteboard is out and we're going to rock and roll. All right. So I've got the whiteboard already. Let me just pull this up real quick and I'm going to do this right now. So I hope you guys had a great day today. By the way, I'm actually shooting this. We had a wonderful Thanksgiving. So pretty awesome stuff. We had a very, very good time. All right, so the first thing you want to do, I kind of have some tips here, right? So you definitely want to have your own unique landing page. So if you guys, whether you're going to drive traffic such as like Facebook, Instagram, you're going to be using YouTube, right? You're going to be using solo ads, right? Or whatever it is that you're going to be, Google, Pinterest, Craigslist, it doesn't matter, right? So a lot of people probably have some money. Some people don't have money. But the thing is, most people are using, again, the company's landing page. So you want to create your own landing page, your own capture page. So the first thing you want to do, you want to have something attractive, right? You want to have an attractive landing page. So that means you're going to, let me put a landing page here, right? So this is the landing page. There's a couple of landing pages that you can use, right? There's landing page where you can have the video of you, of the product, or whatever it is. Then you have the name. Then you have the email, right? If you want to personalize it, well, definitely if you want to sift through the quality of leads so you don't have a lot of people inside of your business that will not open up your email, right? So video is good. Now, here's the thing between a video capture page and just headline, right? Headline, email. I'm going to give you guys the difference, right? So I'm going to show you guys, right, how you can increase your conversion in sales. No, I'm not saying both of them are not effective. However, capture pages with video have a more lower opt-in rate than one without video for two reasons. Some of your customers probably, right, they're distracted, they're doing other things. And when they watch this video, or some people don't want to burn their data on their phone, right? They don't want to use up their data or data, what you guys want to call it, right? So some of them will probably check it out later, but then they're going to forget. However, that's where the email follow-up sequence come in, right? So the email follow-up sequence is going to be coming in, right? And I normally have an email follow-up sequence for, some people do it for 7 to 12 days because it takes 7 to 12 touch before your customer actually decide that, hey, this is something that I want to do, right? So probably some people will see the video and be like, I'm not going to put my name and email in here. It's normal, especially in affiliate marketing, right? So what I normally do is I normally get a higher conversion rate, or let's say an opt-in rate. I get a better opt-in rate in this type of capture pages because it's just a one step, right? Most people are They're honestly too lazy to put their name in the email. Some people will do it. If you even do a capture page with name and email, some people will like to do it. Again, you can personalize your email if you want. That is totally cool. Some people do it, some people don't. And when I do biz opportunity, I just do collect the email. So you want to put the headline, right? And this is what they call to action button. And again, if you guys want to increase your opt-in rates, it's always good to give something away, right? So this is what they call like a lead magnet thing. So you have like a lead magnet, right? Lead magnet could be an ebook, right? And an ebook, when people hear the word ebook, majority of people are looking on a book like this thick, right? You don't need to go that far, right? So you have an ebook, right? I'm gonna put ebook. Ebook could be anywhere from like 10 to 20 pages with information in it. Even it doesn't have to be that long. Could be 8 pages, could be 9 pages, right? You could do like a PDF giveaway, free PDF, so people can download that as well, right? There could be like a free training video that you have to offer as well, right? There could be like helpful tips about whatever product, services, or business that you're going to do, right? So again, you can put ebook, PDF, right? PDF file. You can do a free video, right? Some people do webinars if you want to go to the extent, right? Because webinars are powerful. Never underestimate the power of webinar, right? It could be like a free audio of podcast, all right? So sometimes people think that you have to go all fancy for you to get sales. Your capture page, right, or otherwise called a landing page, it doesn't have to be all cute and all pretty. It could be ugly. Like people don't care, right? As long as people get the information that you advertise or you talked about, guess what? They're gonna opt in, right? So you can definitely create something. Now, people always say, well, I don't know how to create an ebook. I don't know how to do PDF file. I don't know. Trust me, you do know. Because guess what? If you're out here, maybe you learn something from a free webinar. Maybe you learn something on YouTube. Maybe you learn something, just go on someone else's email list. So you already have information already, right? So you can create something. You learn something and just be creative, put something together, and then you could give that away. So once you give this away as a lead magnet, right, here comes the conversion. And a lot of people don't realize that the email follow-up is the power of the entire conversion. Now, some people buy right away, some people don't. You have to build that relationship and get it going, because once people start coming in and they start getting your email, right, you point them back to probably your social media, and you get to have that human connection with them. Another thing that I started doing is creating a quick little video and introduce yourself to the list, right? For example, you'd be like, hey, thank you so much for putting in your email, right? By the way, I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Andre, and what I do affiliate marketing, and da 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 da. But I would love to share with you this great program that I get involved with, and we have a lot of people here, there's a lot of people doing it. I've tried it, yada yada yada. Most people think that they need to show results or proof or anything. No, there's people going to connect with you as a person. So you could send a quick video, right? Send a quick video in your email. Could be your welcome email or the follow-up email. And I've realized that when you do videos, it's powerful. Now, do you have to get in front of the camera and do a video? Absolutely not. You can, right, get a share screen software, record something, introduce yourself, and let them know so they can hear your voice and be like, oh, this is a real human being, right? So some of those tips can help you guys definitely increase your conversion. I know for a fact that, right, people want to get more connection with you because people always think that, hey, I need to be a pro at this. You don't need to be a pro. Just do the work. Stop worrying about what other people think and just do it. That's all you got to do. Just do the damn thing. So once you do it, people are going to love you, right? People are going to love you. People are going to hate you. It is normal. So I hope this helped you guys, right, to increase like your conversion, and especially with your affiliate marketing business. Yeah, you definitely need your own unique capture page. Your own unique capture page, right? And then it's gonna go straight to, the sales video or your video, and then boom, this is where the money is gonna come in, right? So consistently drive traffic to this. I like this. This is my number one pick. I'm not saying this is not effective, but this is the one that I go with, especially in my niche, in the biz app niche. There's other affiliate marketing stuff that this really converts well. I really can't tell you. I know for a fact, for me, this is what works for me. So this could work for you as well, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Enjoy your day, everybody. Talk to you soon. Peace.